So how can you show a PDF file in a full screen on the iPad? Let's explain that. So what we need to do basically is to locate that PDF file. It is most likely going to be part of your folders or like the Files app. And what I noticed in here, the PDF in here, I can tap on it, and since I'm running the latest version of iPad OS, which is iPad OS 26, there's this thing like a new app which is called Preview, and now all of the files are now just shown or open through that app. So I can get inside in here and it shows it almost in full screen. But what I can do is to tap on the button here in the top left corner to hide at the sidebar. And now I literally have it in the full screen, right? I can zoom it in like that. I can even, you can see, just tap on it like this to make all of the toggles and controls to disappear. And I have just a clean PDF file on the full screen. So again, as I say, if you don't have the latest iPad OS, try updating to get the Preview app. It's okay. I mean, it works fine. But if you need some additional functionality, you can explore some PDF apps on the App Store. For example, there is the Adobe Acrobat, which is good for reading, as well as PDF Expert is another app which I personally tried. And then inside of the Files app, you can just hold down on the file and click the Open With, where you get to pick where exactly or which software you're going to use to open up that actual file. So I can pick Acrobat right here, and it's just going to, open up the app in here, and I can again just use it like that. Perhaps, it might have better solution for my problem or whatever is going on, but I'm just mentioning it as an example. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.